Amid calls to investigate the alleged gentleman's agreement between former President Rodrigo Duterte and China, Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva believes the supposed deal is a part of China's propaganda. The lawmaker believes this is one of China's strategies to divide Filipinos on the West Philippine Sea issue.
I really believe so that it's just a plain simple propaganda of the Chinese government. Ako, wala akong kaduda-duda that this is part of their plan. This is part of their strategy. So, let's not fall into their traps. No one believes it is binding. I mean, all of us know that it's void. Granting without admitting that there's indeed a gentleman's agreement. Do you think China is that ridiculous? And I'm sorry to say this because somehow they're playing dumb na kunyari, i-implement ito. Alam naman nila hindi may implement ito. There is no shred of document. Clearly, they want us na mag-away-away, they want us na ma-divide tayo, and it should not be the case. We are somehow falling into the trap of this bullying nation. Lahat nagsasalita na, I mean, lahat biglang naging eksperto, no?
He calls on Filipinos, even his colleagues, to unite and for the government to come up with a master plan in dealing with the issue.
No, kayo na rin nagsabi, hindi lang sa social media, hindi lang bloggers left and right, even politicians, even those who have influence and power in governing this nation, kasama sa mga na-ooperate, whether knowingly or wittingly or unwittingly. I'm begging and appealing to all concerned stakeholders. Let us put our acts together and be Filipinos for one time lang. Kahit magkaisa po tayo dahil dambuhala itong kalaban natin. Ang nakakainggit sa kanila is lahat. If you do this, may strategy na sila. If you take this path, may strategy na sila. So, I pray na meron na rin tayong ganon.
Villanueva adds he will request Senate President Juan Miguel Big-Zubiri to discuss first in a meeting with all the senators whether to conduct a public hearing or an executive session on the matter as they resume session on April 29. This as he noted that some of his colleagues have expressed concern on investigating the issue in the upper chamber. Senate Deputy Minority Leader Risa Hontiveros earlier filed a resolution seeking a Senate inquiry into the alleged agreement, calling it treasonous if proven true.
It's a valid concern by Senator Risa, but there are also issues with other senators. Ang appeal ko talaga is look into this, no? It's a part of national security. Habang nagsasalita tayo ngayon sa harap ng camera, alam natin na may mga nakikinig po dyan, alam natin na ang bawat galaw ng pamahalaan pinagmamatyagan.
Harleen Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.